Hi again. I just felt the need to jump in front of a camera and share something really special with you. This book right here, The Leadership Blueprint, Small Changes, Big Impact by Ian Dickson. Now, Ian is not just a phenomenal author, he's a fellow business coach and a great friend. And let me tell you, this book is an absolute goldmine for anyone who's looking to step up their leadership game. In fact, every single page of my copy has got a highlight on it. I even had to buy some fresh highlighters just to keep up. Yeah, it's that good. So today I want to quickly share my top 3 big ideas from this book that have made a true impact on me. So first, the big idea number 1 is that leadership, or shall I say great leadership, doesn't come from massive overwhelming changes. It's about small intentional actions done consistently. Whether it's the way you communicate, the way you empower your team, or the way you handle challenges, those little shifts can have or create a massive ripple effect. And that ripple effect is a game changer. Now, big idea number 2 is the power of active listening. And Ian does a brilliant job of breaking down why active listening is a superpower in leadership. It's not just about hearing, it's about truly understanding. It's about making people feel valued and responding in a way that drives growth. Now, if you want to be a better leader, this is one of the most impactful skills to hone in on. And then big idea number 3 is that growth begins with self-awareness. Great leaders know their strengths, acknowledge their weaknesses, and continually work on improving. And this book gives you practical tools to assess where you are and how to get to where you want to be. Okay. This book's so good, I'm going to have to add a bonus idea because there's 2 concepts alone that are worth the price of the book. First is the lead system, which is a powerful approach that emphasises listening, evaluating, adapting and developing. And it's a game changer for anyone looking to refine their leadership style and to create lasting impact. And when you apply the lead system, you'll find yourself no longer reacting to situations. Instead, you're going to find yourself leading with intention. And the 6 pillars of leadership. Now, these pillars provide practical techniques to build credibility, empower teams and foster resilience in this fast-paced, changing business world. Now, mastering these pillars will take your leadership to a whole new level. Okay, honestly, this book it's a bit like a leadership masterclass in print. If you're a business owner or a team leader or just someone who wants to be better inspiring and leading others, the Leadership Blueprint is a must-read. So grab yourself a copy. Get your highlighters ready, because you're going to need them, and then start making those small changes that are going to lead to a big impact. Finally, I want to give a big shout out to Ian for putting together such a valuable resource. And if you've already read the book, drop a comment and let me know your biggest takeaways. And if you haven't, what are you waiting for? Go grab it now.